Oh, hi. Hello, my good people. I am back again with another tutorial video. And yes, it's the strip eyelashes. But first, Queen Cindy has to put on her royal crown. There we go. And voila! Queen Cindy is giving you the royal wave. She's here with the crown. Now let's get down to it. This is me trying to show you through the white background the choice of eyelashes that I made today. Yes, I chose and picked the ones that kind of look subtle and fluffy. And here for beginners, I suggest that you go for a strip that is thin and lashes that are not too heavy but fluffy and more subtle. Here, trying to show you the choice that I made today. So here now, I have not yet put glue on them. I am just practicing as to measure them if they will be perfect size for my eyelids. Yes, for beginners, I suggest that you first practice and measure if they will be short enough or long enough for your eyelids. So here now I'm measuring from the inner corners to the outside corners of the eyelid. Yeah, here I'm showing you where the inner corner of the lash will be placed on the inner corner of the eye, and the outer corner of the lash on the outer corner of the eye. Here, as you have measured, you need to cut on the outer corner of the eyelash if necessary, not on the inner corners, no, but on the outer corner. That's where you will cut the false eyelash. And remember, when placing them, we place the false eyelash where your natural eyelashes start growing out, on the inner corner. So here now I dipped my stick in the glue, and then I start applying the glue on the strip. Yes, you put not too generous, but an enough amount of glue on the strip, and then you start to emphasize on the inner corners, and the outer corners you add more glue. You need to put more glue on the inner corners and the outer corners of the false eyelash. So here now, whether you're using the eyelash holder or you use your fingers, you need to hold the false eyelashes on the midpoint. Yes, if you're using the eyelash holder, you hold from the midpoint of the false eyelash, So here showing that this is how you'll be placing it from the top. And here, if you choose to use your fingers, you need to hold on the false eyelash at the midpoint, and you place it from the above direction. Yes, closest to your natural eyelashes and touching your skin. And you place it not too further in on the inner corners, but where your natural eyelashes grow out. And so here I am pressing them down onto my natural eyelashes and push backwards to touch my skin. Yes, push it backwards throughout to touch my skin and closest to my natural eyelashes. So here now what I'm doing is I'm pressing them together with my eyelashes. Now I'm coming in with the eyelash curler, putting it through from the outer corner of the eyelash to the inner corner. Then I press it together as to bond your natural eyelashes and the false eyelash. That tool was just for bonding them together, and now I'm coming in with my, so now you can use a cream black liner on the upper lash line just to fill up that space. Yes, we use this to fill up that space so that your falsies look like one and the same with your natural eyelashes. By so doing, we avoid to see the spaces between so that it all looks black and natural. Yeah guys, that's just about it for today. Yeah, you can see the finished look. Queen Cindy is happy. I should say bye now and give you a royal wave. Thank you for staying thus far. Bye.